Hey everyone, welcome back to JaiInfoway's Crypto Market Snapshot for Monday, September 29, 2025. Let's dive into today's top 10 movers by market cap. The overall market is mixed. Bitcoin trades around $111,675, down over 6% this week, while Ethereum sits near $4,109, also sliding about 14%. Total market cap holds just under $3.85 trillion, with sentiment neutral at 39 on the Fear and Greed Index. Now, a quick breakdown of the leaders. 1. Bitcoin is holding above $111,000, eyeing resistance near $110,000. 2. Ethereum has support at $4,109 and resistance at $3,950. Its DeFi ecosystem still attracts interest despite last week's heavy pullback. 3. Tether and USDC both remain stable around $1, anchoring liquidity during this volatile phase. 4. XRP sits around $2.85. With support at $2.65, it's pushing toward $2.75. 5. BNB trades near $1,011, consolidating well with support at $900. 6. Solana is around $209, testing resistance near $195. Its scalability and DAB momentum continue to make headlines. 7. Dogecoin stays community-driven at 22 cents, with steady support around $0.215. 8. Tron holds $0.329, showing resilience with low-cost transactions and steady developer activity. 9. Cardano trades at 79 cents, eyeing 78 cents. Its research-first strategy keeps it relevant as upgrades roll out. Final take. The market is cautious but stable, with Bitcoin and Ethereum setting the tone while altcoins fight for momentum. Stability from stablecoins and growing institutional inflows continue to support the ecosystem. That wraps up today's update. For deeper insights or custom blockchain solutions, connect with us at JaiInfoway. See you in the next snapshot.